Have you ever truly considered the world around you? Not just the big, obvious things, but the tiny details that make up your everyday life. Most of us move through our routines without pausing to notice the subtle wonders that surround us. We often overlook the small miracles happening right under our noses. The sunlight streaming through your window, the gentle dance of dust in the air, these are not just background details, but clues to a much larger story. Our homes and offices are filled with secrets, hidden stories more fascinating than we imagine. Every object, every ray of light, every speck of dust has a tale to tell if we only take the time to look closer. It's like living in a museum but ignoring the exhibits. We pass by wonders every day, rarely stopping to appreciate the marvels that fill our lives. The ordinary often holds extraordinary tales if we take a moment to listen. Even the most mundane objects can reveal astonishing truths about our world and our place in it. Consider walking into a room. It seems mundane, yet beneath lies incredible complexity and history. The air you breathe, the light you see, the surfaces you touch, all are part of a vast, interconnected web stretching across time and space. Atoms in your table were forged in dying stars. The wood itself grew from sunlight and soil, shaped by forces older than humanity. Every surface you touch is a relic of cosmic history. The light through your window traveled millions of miles, crossing the vast emptiness of space before finally landing in your home. Each sunbeam is a messenger from our nearest star, carrying energy that sustains all life on Earth. We are surrounded by wonders, yet we've forgotten to be amazed. We hurry past beauty and mystery, our attention captured by screens and schedules, rarely pausing to marvel at the universe unfolding around us. This essay uncovers a hidden truth, something so common we ignore it. It invites you to slow down, to look again at what you think you know, and to discover the extraordinary in the everyday. It's a humble substance, often a nuisance, but a silent messenger from beyond. Dust is more than just a sign of neglect. It is a record of our lives, a collection of fragments from distant places and times. We are living in a universe, not just our homes. The dust on your windowsill may contain particles from ancient volcanoes, distant deserts, or even the far reaches of space. Let's embark on a journey of discovery, exploring a fact hiding in plain sight. Together, we'll uncover the hidden connections that link our daily lives to the cosmos itself. It reveals our connection to the cosmos in a surprising, profound way. The next time you see a sunbeam or notice dust floating in the air, remember you are witnessing the story of the universe, written in the smallest details. Prepare to be astonished by the secret life of something you thought you knew. The world beneath your feet is more wondrous than you ever imagined, if only you take the time to look. Here's the hidden truth, something you probably never considered as you go about your daily life. Dust, that ever-present nuisance we wipe away from our shelves and sweep from our floors, has a story far more fascinating than most people realize. It's not just a sign that it's time to clean, it's a silent witness to the universe's grand history, quietly accumulating in the corners of our homes. In fact, much of the dust in your home isn't even from Earth. It's easy to assume that all that fine powder comes from dead skin cells, fabric fibers, or dirt tracked in from outside, but the reality is much more extraordinary. A portion of it is cosmic dust, tiny particles that have traveled unimaginable distances through the vastness of space only to settle quietly in your living room. These specks are older than our planet, older than the mountains and oceans, and they carry with them the secrets of the cosmos. Every single day our planet is showered with material from space. Most of it is so small that it goes completely unnoticed, but together, these microscopic visitors add up to a cosmic rain that never stops. These particles, called micrometeorites, are actually remnants from the formation of our solar system. They are fragments of ancient asteroids and comets, leftovers from the swirling cloud of dust and gas that gave birth to the sun and planets billions of years ago. Earth sweeps up this material like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, collecting around 40,000 tons of it every year. That's enough to fill several Olympic-sized swimming pools with stardust, all settling gently onto our world. While larger meteors burn up in the atmosphere in a blaze of light, these tiny particles drift down gently, floating through the air before coming to rest on every surface imaginable. So the next time you clean your home, pause for a moment. Consider that you're not just sweeping away the usual mix of lint and crumbs. You're also brushing aside cosmic visitors, each with a story that began long before Earth existed. Your home, in its own quiet way, is a repository for ancient solar system dust. Every speck is a tiny relic of the universe's past, a physical connection to the stars. It's a silent, ongoing invasion from space, mostly unnoticed but always present. The next time you see dust swirling in a sunbeam, remember, you're witnessing the universe settling in. In our hands, we hold a piece of the cosmos, a reminder that even the most ordinary things can have an extraordinary story. To appreciate cosmic dust, we must understand its composition. It's not magical, it's basic rock and metal, primarily silicates like olivine and pyroxene. These are the building blocks of planets, incredibly small and often unnoticed. Most micrometeorites are between 50 and 400 micrometers, smaller than a human hair. They represent a constant rain of extraterrestrial matter. Scientists study them in places with minimal earthly dust, like Antarctica. Unique isotopic ratios reveal their extraterrestrial origin. Citizen scientists have found them in urban areas, proving cosmic dust rains on our cities. John Larsen, a Norwegian researcher, identified them in city sludge. Cosmic travelers mix with urban grime, unnoticed but present. Imagine a sunbeam in a quiet room, dust swirling in the light. Each tiny particle dances, suspended in a golden glow, moving in slow, graceful patterns. It's a simple, everyday scene, yet it holds a secret. Within that beam, you're witnessing a cosmic story unfolding right before your eyes. Some of these particles began their journey millions of miles away, drifting through the vastness of space. They are ancient wanderers, fragments of asteroids and comets finally coming to rest in your home. Each mote is a tiny traveler, carrying the history of the solar system, and perhaps even beyond. When you sweep the floor, you're not just cleaning up. You're collecting a sample of your environment, a mixture of local dust, pollen, and even cosmic fragments. Hidden among the ordinary are pieces of meteorites, remnants of ancient collisions, and stardust older than our planet itself. It's like finding a rare fossil every day, in every house worldwide. Most of us never notice, but these tiny treasures are scattered everywhere, waiting to be discovered by a curious eye or a careful hand. Micrometeorites don't just land on rooftops or windowsills, they fall into rivers, lakes and oceans, becoming part of our planet's recycling system. Over time, they're carried by water, mixed into soil, and woven into the fabric of Earth itself. The universe isn't just out there, far beyond our reach. We interact with it daily, often without realizing it. Every breath we take, every step we make connects us to the cosmos in subtle, beautiful ways. A child playing in a sandbox unknowingly touches material from across the solar system. As their fingers sift through the grains, they may hold a speck that traveled for eons before landing on Earth. A silent witness to the birth of planets and the dance of comets. In their hands, they cradle something billions of years old, predating life on Earth. These ancient grains are older than the mountains, older than the oceans, and older than any living thing. The playground becomes a place of cosmic connection, where the ordinary and the extraordinary meet. Every handful of sand, every stone could be a link to the stars. The universe is at our fingertips in the most unexpected places. We don't need telescopes or rockets to touch the cosmos. Sometimes all it takes is a sunbeam and a moment of wonder. We're part of a grand cosmic story, unfolding in our daily lives. Every home, every family is connected to the universe in ways both visible and invisible. Through the dust that settles and the light that shines, the universe is not distant. It's present in our homes, woven into the fabric of our everyday existence. In every sunbeam, a universe awaits discovery. Why is this surprising? We see Earth as separate from space, but there's no hard boundary. Space constantly leaks into our world, blurring lines and suggesting Earth is an open system. We are showered with space dust, a massive event happening in silence. This revelation changes our relationship with our homes. Despite our efforts to keep the outside world out, the universe finds a way in. Our homes are museums collecting samples from the solar system. This fact feels personal, bringing the vastness of space into our intimate environments. The cosmos is a physical component of our daily lives. It's in the air we breathe, on our clothes and under our beds. The universe is a messy houseguest, constantly present. Let's explore a real-life discovery story. Scientists once thought finding micrometeorites in cities was impossible due to pollution. John Larsen, a Norwegian jazz musician, proved otherwise. He collected city sludge, identifying cosmic dust among urban grime. His work showed anyone could find space particles in their neighborhood. Larsen's discovery changed the field, proving cosmic dust rains on cities. It was a triumph of curiosity and perseverance. A single person revealed a hidden truth all around us. Cosmic dust is present, even in the most unexpected places. Why does this matter? It adds magic to the mundane, transforming chores into cosmic archaeology. It encourages curiosity and awe, reminding us of hidden wonders. Scientifically, this dust is crucial, offering pristine samples of early solar system material. Studying them helps us understand our planet's formation. It changes our perspective, showing Earth as part of a dynamic system. We are constantly influenced by cosmic events, even subtly. This understanding fosters a connection to the natural world and cosmos. We are made of stardust, and this fact proves it. It speaks to the power of paying attention, revealing hidden truths. There are countless amazing truths waiting to be discovered. The greatest secrets often hide in plain sight, waiting for someone to notice. Learning about cosmic dust changed my perception of my home. Cleaning my attic, I realized the dust was a cosmic archive. It contained skin cells, fibers, pollen, and stardust. I imagined cosmic particles drifting down, settling in my attic. This knowledge made cleaning more interesting, connecting me to history. I was interacting with the solar system's history on a damp cloth. The universe is immediate and present in unexpected places. Dust motes in a sunbeam became a miniature galaxy. It added wonder to my daily life, enriching the world. This small fact has a big impact, connecting us to the universe. We are part of a grand, unfolding cosmic story. The story of cosmic dust is about curiosity and discovery. Beneath the ordinary, there are layers of complexity and wonder. We often overlook the marvels around us, forgetting to ask why and how. Discovering hidden truths reveals new spaces, sparking imagination. If there's stardust in our dust, what other secrets await? The universe is a book with endless stories waiting to be read. Discovering hidden truths keeps our minds active and engaged. It connects us to the world and each other, sharing a sense of wonder. Look closer, be curious, and ask questions about the familiar. The greatest adventures begin with something as simple as a speck of dust.